Traders, welcome back. It's Friday. We made it. Friday the 21st of July, guys, to be exact. And we are going to do the following. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's do this. First trade from yesterday was US dollar against the Japanese yen. I know I've been talking about this all week, but it's finally started to move. And we had a nice trade yesterday. Just quickly, let's look at the weekly chart because it's all about this weekly level where price has reacted many times. All right, so this level was nice support and we had the moving average 20 coming up, so double whammy support. If we go down to the day chart now, just look at what's happened at that level of support. So this is that gray zone and then just buyers, 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 buyers so far. Yeah, so we've had nothing but buyers, guys. But what do I want to see? I want to see on the lower time frames, this is the H4, I want to see a break of structure. All right. And as you can see, you know, on the H4, excuse me, my big head is in the way. Yeah, once we get back here, lovely setup. We take price higher. All right. If we look at the H1 now, yeah, and this pattern, guys, what was once resistance becomes support. Yeah, look for these setups. If you only trade these setups, you will find consistency in your trading. Yeah, try only these setups. If we drop down to the H1 now, so we can really see where I entered. All right. And as you can see, guys, yeah, we come down to our gray zone here, yeah, which is what we wanted. And then price, and then we got a candlestick like this. Okay, you can't actually see that. Let me zoom in. Here we go. So yeah, we got a nice bullish reaction in terms of this candlestick, entered here, put our stop below here, took some profit back at these highs, yeah, and then just let the rest of the trade run up to our first target. And I actually closed, so here I closed 80%, okay, and then here I closed 10%. And then I'm just letting the last 10% run. And I will trail the stop. So let me explain that quickly, guys. So I'm just going to follow price action. All right, so let's say it does this. And all I'm going to do, guys, is move my stop from down here. And, you know, even here, when we start seeing a big move like this, I move my stop from here to here to here to here to here to here. Okay, that's trailing a stop, guys, and that's what I'll do with the money I have left on the trade. All right, but US dollar yen, guys, I hope you took this trade. I put it in the VIP Discord. Great trade, great entry. What else were we looking at from yesterday? The next one was this, guys, pound against the Canadian dollar, and this is still a trade idea for today, but let's start with the day chart. So what were we looking for, guys? Yeah, well, first of all, we need to look at the day chart. The day chart is my direction. Okay, when I look at the day chart, guys, I have three options. Yeah, buy this pair, sell this pair, or stay the hell out of this pair. That's it. They're your three options. Keep it simple. Yeah, and this one was telling me to buy. Because once we got back down to this lovely level, again, what was once resistance is now support. Happens time and time again, guys. If we zoom in, we also had this nice wick. I know it's quite a bearish candle, but this wick, you know, made me start looking for buys. Okay. And you can also see, look, the wick of this candle still closed back into our grey zone. So potentially there's still a trade here. If we drop down to the H1, all day I was just waiting for a bullish candle. Okay. And as you can see, just sellers, 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 sellers. Okay. And then Potentially. I mean, I didn't trade this. I actually traded pound Swiss franc, and we'll look at that in a second. But we did have this candle, yeah, reasonably bullish. And then price has just sort of muddled along, really, guys. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, we could have entered on this candle potentially. All right. I didn't, as I had a better setup on another pair. But that's all we was looking for, buyers to come into the market. But yeah, still a trade idea for today, this one, guys. And then if I show you the trade ideas that we were looking at, remember the against trend trades that we were looking at. So things like Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, look at the reaction we got down here. Yeah, lovely trade. Yeah, we got the bounce off here. We also had euro pound we were looking at. We liked this level. Sure enough, came shooting back down. But the one I traded, guys, was this pound Swiss franc. Again, guys, I put this trade in my VIP Discord. So once price comes down to this level, yeah, once price comes down to this level, look how many times it's reacted. And even if I go further left, it's reacted more. So we really like the level, first of all. And then what am I looking for? Once price gets down to this level, yeah, I drop down to the lower time frames and I want to see a structure change. So what do I mean by that? If we drop down to the H1, yeah, you can see price is coming down. At this point, we're clearly in a downtrend, still in a downtrend. Doesn't make lower lows. This is always a clue that price could be reversing. The trend could be reversing. And then, guys, basically, we got this candle, yeah, that broke these highs. Yeah, we got a little bit of a retrace. I entered here, put my stop below here, and then took price back up to this first grey zone, guys. All right, again, a very nice trade, you know. Yeah, and like I say, guys, I put this in the VIP Discord. So, but any of those, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc had a nice bounce, euro pound had a nice bounce, but this one actually gave us a nice structure break on the lower time frames. Then we can enter. All right, guys, so those were the trades. Is that all of the trades from yesterday? Yes, it is. So those were the trades from yesterday's, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. Yeah, it helps support the video and the channel. Thank you very much. So trades for Friday, the 21st of July. Before I start, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, don't forget about our free Discord channel. Yeah, it's free, guys. Yeah. We've got traders on there sharing their knowledge and their trade ideas. We've got trading psychology. We've got indicators, useful links, loads of cool things, guys. So come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have a VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're not sure about anything. I also give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. Yeah, you get exclusive content every week. And you also have access to a performance coach and other VIP members, guys. So come join that as well. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we have a mentorship program. If you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the details are in the video description. And also, guys, if you would like to support our channel, yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Okay, so it starts from as little as under $2 a week. You can support the channel, become a member, and you get some really cool perks as well. So yeah, check those things out there in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream, 8 a.m. Monday to Thursday, New York EST time. I'll see you for that. Get your questions ready. All the information for all of those things are in the video description. Go check them out. Right. Trades for Friday, the 21st of July. I'm going to write this in big capital letters. It is all about my motherland's currency, the pound, the Great British Pound. Yeah, it's all about that today. So first one is pound Canadian dollar. I still like this trade, guys. Yeah, I know it come down further yesterday as well, but I still like this trade. So why do I like it? Well, we are in an uptrend. Okay, we're clearly in an uptrend and it's retraced to a really nice area of support. Okay, so yeah, I just like where price is. And we've also got the moving average 20. Yeah, so we've got like double support in here. Okay, admittedly, yeah, this candle is not super bullish, far from it. But again, this wick has closed back into this grey zone. Buyers are not fully in the market yet, but they're trying. These wicks, yeah, this wick here and this wick on this candle tells me that buyers are trying to get back into this market. All right, and that's what we're waiting for, to buy this pair. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, even price action and price structure on the H1 is ugly. So what do I want to see? So a couple of things can happen, guys. Yeah. First of all, we just get a bullish candle that, sort of bursts out of this gray zone. Okay. We could get a candle like this, big bullish green candle, breaks out of this zone, enter here, potentially put our stop down here and look to take price back up to this blue line. This is my target. 7,100 basically, just a few pips before. So that could happen, guys. Yeah, first bullish candle, we trade. Or guys, price action could do this. Maybe we just get a bit of nothing action. It is a Friday. And then we get a break of structure. Yeah, maybe we get a break of these highs here. And then we can start buying this pair as well. Okay, so both are feasible, guys, but looking to buy pound Canadian dollar. The next trade, it's all about the pound, okay, is pound US dollar. Okay, so if we look at the day chart, guys, again, it's at a really nice level. Okay, so price is in an uptrend. Yeah, clearly in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, we're in an uptrend. And again, it's similar to pound Canadian dollar. I love the level. I love this level in terms of value. Yeah, look at all that room we've got to move into. But why do I like this level? Well, first of all, we've got horizontal support here, and we've got the support of the moving average 20. Again, double whammy support. Yeah, double whammy technical term. All right, so I'm looking to buy this. Yeah, let me put my target in. So potentially I would come up to this psychological level here, this 3,100. Yeah, right here. So what am I looking for? Again, it's a similar story to the pound Canadian dollar. Price action is scruffy. Yeah, there isn't much price action to work with. So what am I looking for? Maybe a slight retrace. Maybe we come back into this grey zone. Again, I just want to see, maybe we see a big bullish oh my God, it's the worst candle I've ever drawn. Maybe we get a big bullish candle like this. We enter here, put our stop here, look to take price higher. Okay. My first target would be this level here. Yeah, this 2,950 level, actually. Yeah, that would be my first target. All right, but I'm just looking for something in here, yeah, that tells me buyers are in control. So I'm just looking for a bullish candle, a push out of this area back up to here. So that's pound US dollar and pound Canadian dollar. So they are both with trend, but I'm also looking at euro pound. This is arguably against trend. Yeah, because if we look at actual day structure, guys, yeah, we came down, we was in a downtrend, and then bang, we broke. Yeah, we broke this high. So we are in an uptrend on the day chart. But if we look at the weekly chart with euro pound, look at that for an entry. Yeah, we're clearly in a downtrend. This is the last high here. Yeah, it's come back down again. Prices come back up. This time it's hit the moving average 20. Look at that wick. Yeah, hit the moving average 20, potentially closing back into this last high. Yeah, and we could potentially take price all the way back down to these lows on the weekly chart. So the weekly chart, you know, if we really zoom in, you can see that the weekly chart gives me that added piece of confidence to take this trade on the day chart against day trend. Okay, and as you can see, guys, that we had a wick from yesterday, 2 days ago, but then look at this candle. That is telling me sellers are in control. Yeah. So what are we looking for, guys? So, you know, I always say this, guys, the day chart is the daily and weekly chart are my direction. Yeah, mainly the day chart. And then I drop down to the lower time frames to find some entries. So if we drop down to the H1 now, guys, what am I looking for? So we've got this gray zone. Okay, we've got this first gray zone here. So we've got this price reacted here and here, and we've also got the moving average 20. So if price reacts in here somewhere and we see a bearish candle, yeah, we can start selling this pair. I'd probably take some profit here because I know this is a support zone, and then leave some money to run. Okay, you know, even take some profit here, leave some more money to run because that weekly chart suggests we can keep going. So that's the first trade idea, from in here somewhere, bearish candle, sell it. The next one, guys, it could retrace back up to these highs when we get a triple top. Yeah, could be possible. But again, I just want to see a bearish reaction. And I mean a candle. It doesn't matter what the name of the candle pattern is, candlestick pattern is. I just want to see a candle that tells me sellers are in control. Once I get that, we can start shorting from here as well. All right, guys, so euro pound, we're also looking to short that. There's more trade ideas, guys, but before I give you more of my trade ideas, if I could ask everyone right now to firstly subscribe to the channel if you haven't, yeah, come join us. And secondly, if everyone could smash the like button. I'm just waiting for the clicking. Thank you very much. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. We've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. And we've got the live streams. Okay, all the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, my next trade is pound Swiss franc. Obviously, guys, it's important to point out at this stage, all of these trades are highly correlated. These are all trades looking for pound strength. So you must be aware of that, because if you start getting in 2 or 3 of them, you are basically, you know, tripling up or doubling up on the same trade. Yeah, so trade the one that gives you the best setup. But yeah, pound Swiss franc is another trade idea. Yeah, again, this one is against trend. All right, so you know, so be aware of that. But you know, I like this level, so it's all about this level down here, guys. Yeah, love this level, and we've had a really nice push off. Okay, so if we zoom in now, you can see this daily candle Yeah, tells us buyers are back. They're back, baby. Okay, so we're looking to buy this. Yeah, and because we're against trend, my target is quite conservative. All right, I'm looking to take price back up to this 11200 psychological level. If we drop down to the H1 now, so remember, daily is my direction, H1 is my entry time frame. So what could happen? So I'm looking for a bit of a retrace so we get value. So first of all, guys, price could retrace back to this grey zone. Yeah, because this is the last H1 high here. Yeah, what was once resistance becomes support. If it does, I just want to see a bullish reaction. We can start buying this pair. So that could happen. Or because we've had such a, a bullish reaction, price might only retrace to the moving average 20. And the moving average 20 is dynamic support. And again, if we get a bullish reaction here, we can start buying. Alternatively, guys, price might just get a bullish candle like this that breaks these highs. Yeah. And then that is a continuation of trend, and you could get in on that as well. But I'm less reluctant to take these trades because they don't offer value. If price comes down to here, value, here, value, here, not value. But it's a more aggressive trade, this one, but still valid. Yeah. Okay, so that is pound Swiss franc. So those are all the pound pairs that I'm looking at today, guys. And those are my trade ideas. Let me just show you another couple of things quickly that are at interesting levels. So there's a few Canadian dollar pairs. So pound Canadian dollar was obviously at an interesting level, and I'm willing to trade that. But look at EURGBP as well. Yeah, this probably has a little bit further to go. But look, let's zoom out a little bit, actually. Yeah, look at this level through here. Yeah, I like this level. So, EURGBP probably has a little bit further to go before we see a reaction in here. Okay, but getting to a nice level. And the same with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, this is in an uptrend. And it's back at these lows. So we can expect a bit of a bump up, at least to this grey zone here with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So, yeah, I also like, the levels of a couple of other Canadian dollar pairs. Right, so that's it for my trade ideas for today. Please smash the like button if you've enjoyed it. Let's take a look at the news now. News for Friday the 21st of July, guys. So not much action overnight, and to be honest with you, it's a relatively light news day. It is worth pointing out at 7 o'clock London GMT, if you're up at that time, we've got core retail sales and retail sales. So these could move the pound. I know they're only 2-star ratings, but these could move the pound, guys. But other than that, yeah, no other news we're interested in, guys. All right, so it's a pretty light news day. You are free as a bird to trade. And that's it, guys. So if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget all the cool things we do in the video description. And if I don't see you again before the weekend, have a good one. See you later, guys.